Hello everybody, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Adobe Photoshop, class number 8. So in this class, we will going to learn some tools, okay? One tool is selection tool and text tool. So these tools we are going to learn in this video today. Don't skip the video, otherwise you mistake anything. So keep watching the video fully, and I believe you have got experience from this video. So let's move on. So this is my Adobe Photoshop interface. So first I want to talking about this tool, okay? So before I need documents is a A4 size page, okay? So first we need to take this. So press from your keyboard Ctrl N. You got this dialog box and set your page size. Okay, if you want to give a title, you can do it, but I skip that, the enter. Okay, I got a page. Now it's maximized. Okay, that's great. Now I understand to use these tools. In this time, you couldn't understand it's not doing here anything. So at the moment, you can see any path. That's why the selection tool is can't select any path. Okay, so I skip these tools. I understand to you after class. It is very easy tool. Just these tools doing a selection. Okay. Now I want to show you this text tool. Okay, text tool is very important when you create a new file in your office or in your desk or in your home or anywhere. It's your workshop. So this text tools is used very widely. That's why I understand to you much more better. Okay, so let's see and memorize everything. Okay, so first I select this tool and now I have to type some hello world. Okay, so I think you see that. So now I first show you this option. This option just doing change your text orientation. You can see this is horizontal, but when you press on this, this is vertical to convert. But I don't need that at that moment. Okay. And another option is font family. You can change your font family. Whatever you want, just change it. Okay. But I always prefer to use Arial font. This is good for everything. Okay, and I show you just font family some option here. You can change your font style little bit. This has a italic, and this is black, and this is regular. Okay, regular is better every time. Okay everybody, now I am going to show you this is font size. How much do you need? You can increase or decrease for your font. Okay, so at that moment you see this is 30 pd font size. Okay, so now I give a little bit more. Okay, you see, okay, this font is a little bit increased. And the another option is serve crisp, strong and smooth. This option is used when you have lot of line and lot of area. Then you see strong is a little bit bold and tiny change in this option. Okay. And then another option you see, this is alignment, is a text alignment. I think you got it. This tool I think use you before time everywhere, many places. Okay, so yes, this is the center, and this left align, and this is right align. Okay, so I think you got it, this tool. Okay, and the next is text color. You can change your text color also. So I give this color. See, the text color is changed. And the next option is a very creative option. Now I understand to use this tool. Before I need more text, so I add a more text here. academy. Okay, and I also change the color. I don't like this color. Okay, and now I am going to show you an next option. This option is actually very creative option. So this is ARC and this is ARC lower and ARC upper. Okay, and this is arch and blotch and small layer and cell layer and cell upper, and this is flag, wave, face and raise, and the next is phase, inflate and the squares, and last is twist. Okay, so first let me show you. You can do round this option here. Okay, and now we're going to know the next option. This is arch lower. Okay, okay, and the next tool is you can change also distraction, and you can change also band size. Okay, and this is upper. Okay, this is upper, and you try yourself. Now I show you this flag option. This option use widely. Okay, okay everybody, I think you got it, this tool. Now I am going to jump next tool. Before I text 2 or 3 line which is understand to you better, so I delete this. Okay everybody, I take 3 line and now I'm going to understand to you this tool. This is paragraph tools. This is very important for your maintain paragraph many things for example your line height, line space, text space, many things you change from here. Okay, so this is a font family, and you got also this option. Okay, and this option is font size. You can change your font size. Okay, first I need to select all these text, then I understand to you. So this is font size. You can change your font size, and this is font height. Okay, this is font height, and this is font space. You can change your font space. Okay, and the another option you see, this is baseline change. You can change your line. Okay, you move your line, and the next option is stretch your font, and the next you can see this is color. You can change your font color from here. And another option is paragraph. Okay, you can change your alignment, or you control many things from here, the text. Okay, I think you got it. And this is also navigator, and this is color plate you see before tutorials, and this is history tool. You can see your previous work from here. Okay, and this is layer, I think you know. Okay, and now we are going to learn the next option. This is vertical text. First let me delete all these things. Now I delete this layer. Just you drag and drop on this delete option here. Okay, that's great. And now we are going to learn, this is vertical type tool. Okay, so vertical type tool is type vertically. Okay, hello. So you see this is type vertically. I think you got it, and I am pretty sure you understand this tool and this also here. So this option is same. Before I see actually how to use these tools or this option. Okay, and we are going to the next option. First I get back this, and you can see this is a horizontal type tool. So this is horizontally type here, hello. So you can see this is a hello word I type here, and now this magic. So this is selected text. You can fill any color the selection option area, which is text. Now I give this color. First now I give red color. Okay, first I give a red color. That's why I select the red color, and I press from keyboard Alt backspace. You can see the color is got. Okay, I think you got it. And now we are going to the next tool. This is a vertical type mask tool. Okay, So this tool also, hello. Okay, I think you got it. This also same. Change the color, or if you want to give another background image, then you can do it. Just let me show you. Okay, first I need to increase this text. Hello. Okay, and you can see this is selection text. Now I give a color. But if you want to see your background, or you can do it. So I deleted background. You can set another background. Or now if you change your background color, you can see from this text. Okay, so now I show you. I take a layer, and this layer also below, and I change a layer color, this color. Okay, and I give also background. Okay, you can see. Or if you change a background color, or now I change a background color. Okay, so the background color is changed. It's show the color is from background color. Okay, so I think you got it. Actually this tool work like this. Okay, and keep practicing what I say, or what kind of tool today I understand to you, or I show you. Just you keep practice yourself, and then you apply all those tools your own project, which you can do to like you. Okay, so this video is enough for today. Have a good day.